What's that? What is it?
Look, it's just a ball. Look, your hand's on it. You want to sit on it? I always sit on it. He's holding on to me. Let go.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? It's just a ball.
Wait, stand him up.
Here.
Riley!
Here.
It's your ball. It's your friend. It's a ball. You love the balls.
Here, you can go into the room. You can walk.
Well, Riley!
Oh. Come here. Come here. Okay.
Look, it's your friend.
Okay, look.
See, touch it.
Touch. 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 What is it doing to you? What's wrong? It's such a nice ball.
Can you touch it? All right. Oh.
Okay, it's okay. It's away. Come on. Let's go
Okay.
in the other room.
Okay. The big Greg ball's going bye-bye.